is a very easy question. This whole angle is x. First have a look at this. This is the arc DA. It is subtending 50 degree at this part of the circumference. So obviously it will subtend 50 here, so this angle will be 50. Similarly, this is subtending 32 here. Yes or no? This arc. This is subtending 32, this arc. So it will subtend 32 this side. So what will be the total sum? 82. चलिए देख सकते हैं जल्दी से. This 70 degree beta, this angle will be 35. Some of us by mistake say that if this is 70, this will also be 70. They think that they are in the same segment. No, this is the center, this is the circumference. So circumference will be half. Followed? Now since this is 90 degree, x plus 35 is equal to 90. So x will be equal to 55 degrees. ठीक है? Now here you see this is 0 degrees, this is 135. Straight line is 180. So 180 minus 135, this will be 45 degree. Now just have a look at this arc. Okay, this arc is subtending 45 degrees at the center. So it will definitely be subtending 22.5 degree, half of it at the circumference. All right. This one is also very easy question, right? This is 40 degrees, so what will be this angle? 40 degree. Just have a look at it. Because this is the arc and this subtends 40 degree here. So it will definitely subtend 40 degree on this side. So don't always look for the segment on that, on the upper part of the circle. The same segments can be any side. It can be, at the bottom part of the circle. Followed. Now what you get is a simple triangle. This point, this point, this point. So this is 40, this is 80. What is it? 120. So this will be 180 minus 120. So x is equal to 60 degrees. Okay. So children, if this is 150 degree, this will be 75 degree. And then we can straight away use cyclic quadrilateral property that exterior angle of a cyclic quadrilateral is equal to the opposite interior angle. X is equal to 75 degree. If you have not done cyclic quadrilateral till now, then this is 150. This you can get as 360 minus 150, that is 210. Now since this huge arc is subtending 210 at the center, it will subtend 105 at the circumference. This 210, this will be 105. So what will this be? 75, linear pair. Okay. Okay, jaldi dekhiye. This is very easy. This is 40. So what will be the angle subtended by the? Very good. Angle subtended at the center will be 80. Now this is x. Obviously this will also be x because this is an isosceles triangle. So x plus x must be 100. X must be equal to 50 degrees. यहाँ पे देखिए, this is 20 degree. What will be this angle? 20 degree. Why? Angles in the same segment. This time you can see this arc is subtending a very small angle. This is a small arc, so it is subtending 20 degree here. This will subtend 20 degree here also. Now what is x plus 20? 90. So what is x equal to? 70 degree. Got it? x निकालना है ये. Check करिए. This is 40. This will also be 40. Angles in the same segment. Now 40, 110. How much? 150. So if 150 is used up, out of 180, how much is left? 30. So x is equal to, that's it. चलिए, what will be angle ACB? ACB will be 90 degree because angle in a semicircle is 90 degree. Since this is already 90, this is 50, this part will be 40. Since this is 40, x will be whatever is left of 90 after subtracting 40. So your answer is 50 degrees. Got it? Now beta, just have a look at this question. How do we do this? This is 50, so this angle will also be 50 degree, right? How do we get that? Because OA is equal to OC. This is an isosceles triangle. Okay. Now what? If this is 50-50, this will be straight away 100. Alright. This again we can do by two ways. Angle at the circumference is 50, so center will be double of it, that is 100, or we can say exterior angle 50 plus 50, 100. Whatever it is, this is 100, so at circumference will again be 50 degrees. Got it? Now this question, this is 50, this is 80. So here again a misconception is people say if this is 50, this angle will be 50, but actually it will be 25. So if that is 25 and this is 80, we are taken care of 80 plus 25, that is 105. Out of 180, now we have only scope for 75 degree. So this angle is 75. Understood?